Okay, number 12 has several parts, so I'm going to start with part A. In part A, they want you to apportion this task force using the Hamilton method. So, let's see. We have 46 local police. I'll just use L for local. And then there are 12 federal agents, so I'll use F for feds. And there are 36 state boys. Okay, that color's too close to black, so let's go with this blue instead. There we go. And I'll use S for state police. Okay, so all of these police officers are involved with drug enforcement in Metro City. A special 9-person task force will be formed to investigate a particular case. Officers will be assigned to this task force with membership proportional to the number of 3 types of law enforcement officers. So, step 1, let's figure out how many cops we're talking about here. So I'm going to add 46 and 12 and 36, and there's 94 police officers they can choose from. So that's step 1. All right. Step 2 is figuring out how many they'll be, doing. Let's see, started with L, which is in red. All right, so for the local police, there are 46 police out of a total of 94. Now, when you take 46 and divide it by 94, that gives you a decimal, but I am immediately going to multiply that times the 9-member task force to see what percent of the 9 seats that they will get. Now remember, you're going to write it down out a couple of places. I usually just go out 2 places. So I get 4.40. And when I look at the whole number, which is 4, that means that the local police are going to be given 9 people to be on this task force. So then we're going to go to the federal agents. There are 12 federal agents out of the 94 police officers. That gives you the percentage. Multiply that immediately times 9. Do all this on your calculator. And take it out 2 places. And it's 1.14. And again, you just look at the whole number. So they're going to get 1 of their federal agents will be on this task force. And then the state boys. There are 36 state boys out of 94. That gives you the percentage, and we want to know what percent of the 9 seats that they're going to get. And that works out to be 3.44. And again, it's the whole number, which is the 3. There'll be 3 for that. Now, when I add this up, sorry, wrong color. When I add this up, 4 and 1 is 5 and 3 is 8. It's supposed to add up to 9. So there's 1 more seat out there, and who is going to get it? The one with the largest fractional part. And you're looking at 0.40, 0.14, and 0.44. 0.44 is the largest. So the state police will have 1 more of their guys on this task force. So with 9 members, the task force consists of 4 members from the local police and 1 federal agent and 4 state police. Because when you add those up, here, I'll just do it. when you add 4 and 1 and 4, that does add up to the 9 people that you were apportioning. So that's part A. And I'll do another video for part B. Because on part B, it says, now increase the task force to 10 and then to 11 and then so on, redoing the apportionment each time until a paradox occurs. So that's going to take a little bit more time than I have.